Morning everyone, Anne-Marie, spiritual life coach here and owner of the Soul Awakening Academy. So today I'm going to talk about some of the transformational coaching questions that you will experience if you come on one of the courses. So one of the techniques I developed is something called Soul Truth. So this asks a series of questions to help you get to understand like what's at the heart of you. You know, you might have heard that saying quite often, like discover your true self. Well, that's one of the things that I'm really passionate about, is helping people discover their true selves. Their true self is usually hidden under layers of masking, of hiding, of conditioning by other people. So for me, doing the work that I do and talking about the things that I enjoy, which are not particularly mainstream, it took a lot of soul searching, a lot of courage, and a lot of uncovering my true self to feel okay to create and talk about the things that I talk about at the Soul Awakening Academy. But I'm very passionate about it because I experienced years of conditioning, what was expected of me, what's expected of you in society, how you should be perceived, a fear of criticism, a fear of judgment. All of that covers up your true self. So your true self might be a creative, it might be somebody who's passionate about the environment or nature, or wants to paint or write a book. But instead you've been kind of conditioned into a certain job or a certain way of living, and you've denied all your passion really and your purpose. Quite often we can get to a point in our life where we've lived that life and felt out of alignment for so long that sometimes we just kind of hit a crisis point where we just cannot bear any longer to continue on that trajectory of our life. So we decide to do something about it, and quite often we don't know what to do about it, but we might ask ourselves those questions. There must be more to life than this. And yeah, there is. There is. And that's why you should come on one of the workshops or do something online. It starts with self-discovery, and it starts with self-development and spiritual development, if you like. And the word spiritual to me just means kind of getting to the essence of your heart. It's kind of getting inside yourself to see and feel what it is that you really want. Your mind can change so much in your reality. It's first of all getting rid of the mental chatter, the inner dialogue that tells us we can't, and if I do this, that will upset that person. It's about starting to own your authenticity. So with the Soul Awakening Academy, what I train people is to coach through the chakra system. So we look at all the stories that lie within each energy center of the body. So one of the questions on one of the workshops is about your root chakra. So it would say a question such as, currently, how do you feel in life? What is your life currently built on? How do the foundations feel that your life is currently built on? Do you feel like you're sinking? Do you feel like you're crumbling? Do you feel like your life is built on strong foundations? Or how does your life feel currently with the foundations that you've laid your life upon? How have you created your reality? And what is it that you're working towards? You can ask questions around, your relationships, about giving and receiving in relationships. Like, we can look at the purpose of your life. If your life were designed before you got here, what has your life with all your experiences been leading to? So it just helps you take an outside perspective on who you are, where your life is, and where you want your life to go. So I'll leave it there, but if you want to know more, then you need to check out the website or check out the Facebook page, Anne-Marie Spiritual Life Coach Training Academy or soulawakeningacademy.co.uk. Take care for now, guys.